Hi all, greeting of the day. Hope you are all doing good today. Today I would like to share how to control welding rod consumption in a piping or pipeline work in construction projects. Okay, before we discuss it further, I would like to describe the condition of this template. Yes, this template only apply for pipeline work for the pipe with diameter 20 and pipe rack work with a pipe diameter 12, pipe rack work with a pipe diameter 10, and support work sorry. So I divide for each work section into 9 weeks, yes, except for support works is only 6 weeks. Okay, so in the other section, any welding production plan, yes, here it is, any welding production plan. This data is only sample purposes, yes, only sample purposes. So this is will based on your project nature. So the other section, any accumulative welding production plan, yes, okay, any formulation inside. So this section will accumulate automatically, yes, will accumulate automatically. Okay, you could see here any formulation inside. This is any cell C20. You just double click the section and the section will show the number coming from, yes. Okay, this is C20 here, and this is E19. Okay, this is this section will accumulate automatically because I equip already the cell with the formulation inside. So the other section, any welding rod consumption as per standard. What I'm saying as per standard, because I make a standard already for the welding rod consumption. Welding rod consumption standard per joint. Yes, this is for rod and rod pass and capping work by using welding rod type Lincoln E 7010, and filler work by using welding rod Lincoln E 6010, and the other column measured in kilogram. Yes, okay. So for the pipeline work with for the pipeline work with a pipe with diameter 20, so welding rod consumption standard for joint using 70 rods. Yes, 70 rods. Okay, and for the filler works by using welding rod Lincoln A 6010, using 30 rod of welding rods. Okay, so the other section for the pipe rack with the pipe diameter 12 for root pass and capping by using welding rod type Lincoln A7010, using 42 rod. Okay, and for filler works by using welding rod Lincoln E6010, using 18 rod. Okay, and for pipe racks with a pipe diameter 10 for root pass and capping, using welding rod Lincoln E7010, using 35 rod. Okay, and for the filler works by using welding rod Lincoln E6010, using 15 rods, and the section showing in kilograms. Yes, okay. So the total rods in kilograms for the Lincoln 7010, any 25 rod in 1 kilo, and for for welding rod Lincoln A 6010 contain 40 rod for each kilogram. Okay, we back again to the welding rod consumption control. So this is the mean of welding rod consumption as per standard. Yes, the total welding rod production plan multiplied by the standard that we make in the table that I mentioned before. Okay, so let me check this cell. Yes, the cell contains formulation inside. Okay, the showing C19. You just double click in the cell and the cell will show the calculation coming from. Yes, okay, C19 here. Okay, and then Y6. Yes, so why I use the dollar symbol in the cell with the red color means the cell be fixed. Although you copy this and move to the other section, this will not change. Yes, okay, we will check Y6. Yes, with Y6 over here. Yes, this is Y6. Okay, this is Y6. Yes, okay, you see here Y6. Yes, okay, and then the other section for the filler work by using welding rod Lincoln E 6010 and any cell that mention the calculation and the formulation inside. Yes, any C19 and double E with the dollar symbols. The meanings I inform you already. Double A6. Okay, double A6. Yes, you can see here. Double A6. This one. Double A6. Okay, double A6. This is the cell double A6. Okay. Now, let me check this section. Okay. So we have welding production plan for the pipeline work with the pipe diameter 20 for the week number 1, any 14 joint. Okay, any 14 joint. So we found welding rod consumption as per standard for root fast and caving by using welding rod Lincoln A 7010 any 980 rod. Yes, 980 rod. The calculation inside the cell I mentioned already. Okay, and for the filler works any by the welding production plan 40 joints. So welding rod consumption as per standard for filler by using welding rod Lincoln E 6010 any 4020 rod. Okay, so this is this column will showing comparison into kilogram for total welding rod using welding rod consumption. Okay, let me check the formulation inside the cell. Okay, any G19, this is root fast and caving, by using Lincoln E 7010 and divided by AC5. AC5, you can check here AC5. This one, AC5 here. You check the cell AC5. Okay, and total kilogram for the root and passing is 39.20 and a 4 filler 10.50. Okay, and the other section any balance. Yes, any balance. Let's compare already into kilograms. So this section or these columns to see if any variance, yes, between actual welding rod issue based on warehouse record with welding rod consumption as per standard. Okay, to check welding rod consumption for root pass and capping by using welding rod Lincoln 7010. This is showing in kilogram, 39.20 kilogram. Okay, and for filler works by using welding rod Lincoln E6010, any 10.50. Okay, let's say let's say actual welding rod issue based on warehouse record for the root pass and capping. Let's say we use already 45 rod. Okay, 45 rod. So what will happen? Okay, in this balance showing the positive number. So the positive numbers means anyways in the welding rod consumption, and better you check the actual welding rod consumption and find out the problem and fix it, and you will save anyways in using welding rod or in consumption of welding rods. Okay, so for the filler work, let's say the actual welding rod issued by based on warehouse records, let's say we only use 9. Okay, so this is in this section any negative number, yes, 1.50 means this means good. Yes, what does it mean? You save already welding rod consumption, the actual welding rod consumptions, so you save anyways by avoiding anyways, and means you save the project cost also. Okay, okay, for the other section, this is same also for the other section for the 5 rack or with the 5 diameter 12, and it's same also. Let's say for the root pass and capping, the actual welding rod use, let's say 15. Yes, let's say 15. Okay, let's say 15. So any waste are 0.30. So for the filler, let's say this is the actual welding rod use only 13. So sorry, I mean not 13 but 2 kilograms. So any saving 1.94. Okay, this is same also for the 5 rack with the 5 diameter 10 for the root pass and capping, any 14.70 kilogram welding rods, 14.70 rod. Okay, for the fillers, any 3.94 kilogram. Okay, let's say for the root pass, the actual welding rod consumption for the root pass and capping, any 13. Yes, 13. So this balance showing a negative number 1.70. 1.70 means you save the actual welding rod consumption 1.70. Let's say for the filler works, any 4 kilogram. The number showing plus 0.06 means anyways by amount 0.06. This is same also for the support work. Okay, same also for the support work. Let's say for the root and capping, any welding rod consumption as per standard 19.60, and for the filler 5.25 kilogram. Let's say the actual consumption for root pass and capping 20 kilogram, and for the filler 6 kilogram. Okay, 6 kilogram. So this table showing positive number. What does it mean? So this means any waste in welding rod consumption, in actual welding rod consumption in your project. Okay. Okay. All understood clear. You have clearly understood what I sharing, what I discussing in this section. Okay, in this templates. Okay. So if any question regarding to these templates, you could reach me through email to imranamami@gmail.com, or you DM me through LinkedIn, don't forget to subscribe, like and comment this video. Hopefully this channel, Imran Amami channel, will grow properly. And thank you very much for your support. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you. Hopefully this template shall be useful for you and for your projects. Again, thank you very much for watching. See you in next video. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.